I've got two rubber bands here. One goes around the tips of my fingers, just like this. The other goes into the loop that we've created. So one is locked within the other. Really see how they're together there. I want you to watch real closely. This is real cool. Would you like to see that again? Got another 100? Here we go. One goes around the tips of my fingers. The other goes into the loop that we've created so that they're locked together, just like that. But watch. Real slow.
In a moment, David Copperfield's attempt to escape from the exploding building.